Welcome to our pocket option copy trade tutorial. In this video, you are going to get every byte of information that you need to do copy trading setting properly while copying trade in pocket option. So firstly, let me do a quick reload so that I can show you the screen that I am showing you right now with these profitable trades are real. Okay. So see guys, I'm going to give you everything that you need to do social trading in pocket options. So I only ask one thing in return from you. Please do like this video and do share this video with the friends who may need this. So now these are the copy trading result of our VIP copy trader who copies our trade directly by using social trading feature. We do not give any signals. Okay, we trade by ourselves and those trades are automatically copied by our copy traders. So as you can notice here, we make $200 per trade in each trade, and we make three trades in a day. Every day we only make three trades, as you can see in the screen right now. Okay, so you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200 if you are copying our trade. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to join our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below. So once you join our free Telegram channel, then there you will see a latest instructions that you need to follow in order to obtain our UID to copy our trade by using this social trading feature of pocket options. So once you get that UID, simply come to this social trading. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show you as an example here. I can notice that there is a trader who has 81% profit. So let's click on it. Okay, and yes, he have made profit today. Okay, but if you get excited just by seeing this screen, this is the result of today, and start to copy it, you might get into loss. Let's dive a little bit deeper in his account. So you have 93% profitable trades. Okay, so let's see his yesterday's result. So yes, he was profitable $2,618. But if you notice here, his max trade amount and minimum trade amount is different. So if you do the 100% setting, then if you make $700 trade, your trades will be also copied of $700. And if he makes loss in that $700, then you are also going to make the loss. Now let's see his all-time trades. So here is the secret. Okay, his trading profit is minus $39,000. So if you start to copy this kind of account just by seeing the profitability rate, then you will also face loss. That's why we suggest you to copy our trades which in maximum days looks like this. Okay, so let's assume that you already have our UID. Then just go to this social trading and then click on this and click on search. So here you can see you need to paste the UID at here. Now this is not my UID. Okay, I'm showing you just as an example. Okay, you need to understand this very clearly. This is not my UID. I'm just showing you it as an example so that I can show you how you need to do the copy trading setting. Now once you click on here, then you can see a screen which look like this. It is the same trader's screen. Now you need to just click on copy. Okay, so let's say for example this is our UID. Okay, now here you can see here you see four boxes. Okay, you only need to make changes to this box, not in this, not in this, not in this. Okay, do not touch any of these three boxes. Now let me explain you what are these three boxes firstly. So this stop balance means, let's say you have $6,744. Now if you just want to risk $744, then you can put a stop balance of that amount here. But why I'm saying you not to put this, because those copy trader who have made changes to these three boxes didn't copy our trade automatically. Okay, that's why only I'm saying you. So let's say you only want to risk $744, then what you can do is you can withdraw your $6,000, but do not put this stop balance at here. Does that sound good? Okay, so you need to do this. Okay, do not touch it. And minimum copy trade amount and maximum copy trade amount. Now I have already shown you previously that we make $200 per trade in each trade, so there is no any need of putting this minimum and maximum copy trade amount. You only need to make changes to this copy in proportion. So 100% of our copying our 100% of our trade means you will be copying $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, but if you reduce it to 1%, then when we make $200 per trade, then you will only copy $2 per trade. It is as simple as that. Okay, so let's say if you want to copy $30 per trade, then you can put here 15 and you will be copying $30 per trade whenever we make $200 per trade. Okay, it is as simple as this. 1% is equals to $2. Remember that. Now, once you have done this much, then just click on confirm and you will start to copy our trade automatically into your pocket option account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel.